The Bisagos Islands, also spelled Bijagos, Portuguese, Arquipélago dos Bijagos, are a group of about 88 islands and islets located in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of the African nation of Guinea-Bissau. The archipelago was formed from the ancient delta of the Rio Jaíba and the Rio Grande and spans an area of 2,624 square kilometers, 1,184 square miles. Only some 20 islands are populated year-round, namely Bubic, which is where the Bisagos administrative capital is situated and is the most populated island, Bolama, Caraque, Caravela, Anu, Formosa, Galinhas, João Vieira, Maio, Minoque, Oringo, Orangozino, Banta, Roxa, Ruban, Soga, Unhacomo, Uno, and Hurricane. There is a high diversity of ecosystems, mangroves with intertidal zones, palm forests, dry and semi-dry forests, secondary and degraded forests, coastal savanna, sandbanks and aquatic zones. The archipelago was declared in 1996 a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, Boloma Bijagos Biosphere Reserve, known for animals including marine turtles, hippopotamus, and the southern islands are today a nature reserve. Demographics: the population is estimated at about 30,000, 2006, and the local ethnic group known as Bijago, Portuguese, Bijago, predominates. It is a relatively youthful population due to high birth rates and low life expectancy even by African standards. Economy: the economy is largely rural, with many families living from subsistence farming and fishing. There is some tourist activity, mostly boat charters from neighboring Senegal. Lack of infrastructure and communication links prevent the development of the island's unique tourism potential. Starting in the early 2000s, several of the Bisagos Islands began to be used as transit depots for narcotraffic, which is quickly changing the social and economic fabrics of the islands. History: in pre-European colonial times, the islands were central to the trade along the coast of West Africa and they built up a powerful navy. In 1535, this enabled them to rout the Portuguese, who later built a fort on Bissau, which was abandoned in 1703. The islands were not formally annexed by Portugal until 1936. The Bisagos were visited by Austrian anthropologist and photographer Hugo Bernansek in 1930–1931, who documented daily life among the Bidyogo people. Culture: due to difficulties of communication with mainland Guinea-Bissau that persist to this day, the population has a considerable degree of autonomy and has shielded its ancestral culture from outside influence. Mostly Bidyogo, Bijago in Portuguese, is still spoken along with Portuguese and Creole. Bisagos society is characterized by age grade progression for both men and women, separately. The Great Ascension ceremonies, generally known as Finados, take place years apart and entail extensive preparation and ceremony. The Bisagos have been erroneously considered to belong to matriarchal societies, but closer examination has revealed a fundamentally patriarchal society where women, in spite of their substantial participation in material production and important roles in social, political, and religious matter, remain essentially unequal to men. It is however true that it is the women who choose their husbands and terminate the matrimony. In Orango they make a single plate of food, often a traditional fish-eye platter, for the spouse-to-be, who agrees to the marriage by eating of the fish. Art: main article, Bijago art. The Bisagos peoples produce many artifacts for daily use and ritual following a traditional iconography that is unique to their culture, but shows variations from island to island. Among the most striking Bidyogo art pieces are the portable ancestor shrines, Iran, and the zoomorphic masks representing cows, Vacabruta, sharks, stingrays and, occasionally, other local animals. Traditionally decorated artifacts are also produced for finado coming of age ceremonies: wood masks, spears, shields, headgear, bracelets, daily activities, fishing, agriculture, and personal use, stools, basketry, foodware. Its unique aesthetics make Bidyogo art easily distinctive from other African tribal art.